Create in me a pure heart, O God, and renew a steadfast spirit within me. Psalm 51 verses 10. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today I share with you one of my favorite ways to make peanut butter soup. There are so many ways you can make this soup, but this one is by far my favorite. It's less platter as possible and it tastes absolutely delicious. So if you want to learn how, please stay tuned and let's get started with this real quick. So here I have my peanut butter ready, some garlic, ginger, lots of onions and some carrots and 2 fresh tomatoes. And here goes my proteins. Use any proteins of choice. I'll be using some goat meat, tripe, and some cow skin. I also will be incorporating lots of dry fish, tomato paste, peppers, and everything will be listed below in the description box. So please do well to check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by placing my meat in my pot and then go ahead and blend my ginger, garlic, and a little bit of onions. Just that, very simple, and add a bit of salt to season and stir everything to combine. I also like to add my tomato paste at this point. I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir everything to combine, and I will then cover it and allow it to steam for the next 10 minutes or so. So now, here is what makes everything easy. In a separate bowl, add in 1 cup of water, put it to a boil, and while waiting, I'll scoop my peanut butter in the blender, add about 2 cups of water, and just give it a very smooth blend. So now that the peanut paste is very smooth, I'm going to now go ahead and add it back to the boiled water. And to that, I'll add half chopped sized onions, and I'm going to go ahead and stir it very well. As you can see, it's a lot. Want to bring it to a boil until it simmers down to at least half size of this, and you will be so surprised of the outcome. You just want to continue to boil for about 20 minutes ish, and to avoid it from overflowing, just add your wooden ladle on top of it like this and just allow it to do its work. This is the most easiest way you could ever get to your peanut butter soup together. I really wish I knew this before. It is so easy. The traditional way requires us to fry it, and let me tell you, that can be very dangerous. It will splatter all around. You can have it on your skin and it's not funny at all. But doing this really make it so easy, and there is so much more assurance of your peanut butter getting very well cooked. Okay, so here our meat is very well steamed, and as you can see, looking absolutely lovely. I'm now going to go ahead and pour my very well cooked peanut butter here. Now you want to stir everything to combine, and it's very thick, so do not hesitate to add lots more water. It even gets thicker as you continue to cook, so do not worry, add lots and lots of water. Here I added about 3.5 cups of water, and just look, it was absolutely amazing. So just look at this, our peanut butter soup is just looking amazing. Right now I'm going to add lots more of the vegetables. This is going to serve as thickener Same time, it's going to boost up all the flavors. Here we have some peppers, tomatoes, and some onions. I'm going to go ahead and also add in some tuna. These are smoked tuna, aka poku. It's so good in here. Stir it a little bit and allow it to come to a boil. And here our soup is smelling just so amazing. So after about 15 minutes of intensive boiling, our vegetables are sure ready to be blended and added back to the soup, right? Very easy. This soup really gets thicker as it cooks, so do not worry by adding a little bit of water. It will not hurt at all. So at this stage that we've added our blended vegetables, we're going to now add our remaining smoked mackerel and our catfish as well. This is very optional, but I just love it in here. And once done, we're going to add extra peppers for extra heat and flavors. We are now going to allow the soup to boil for another good 20 minutes on low to medium heat. We want all the flavors to come together. You want to also taste for salt, but I'm very sure and certain that I am okay with the salt that I used from the beginning. All right. Peanut butter soup is just giving me the chop bar style, and oh boy, I am loving every bit of it. So good. We'll be having it with some KONKONTE, so we just want to also make sure we prep for our okra and the slimy cake to this. Okay, so I'm going to put water to a boil and then add in my chopped okra. I just want to also go ahead and give it a whisk so that it will be very slimy. I want it to be very slimy, tin time like that. So good. So our soup looks very much ready. We just want to lower everything and just allow it to slowly simmer. Today we are going to pair this with some KONKONTE. Oh my goodness, KONKONTE plus this peanut butter soup. Boy, oh boy, it slapped. It was just the perfect combo ever. I was just so much craving for this, and I was thanking God that I was able to make this. It was so good. Now it's ready for us to be served. Do not worry, I'm bringing you the KONKONTE recipe very soon. It's one of the most tricky kind of swallow, and I think you all need the recipe, the easiest way to make it. I'll bring it very soon, so watch out for it. Okay, anytime I'm having face the wall with Nkatenkwan, I really don't care for meat. All I want is some good fish, and I had it today. I was so grateful. I just love it with some tuna. I took the head, and as you can see, the okra was extremely slimy, just the way I wanted. Hubby also had it with some amutuo. A lot of people also prefer their peanut butter with amutuo, which is so amazing as well, but I do love it more with my face oil. Just look at that mackerel, looks absolutely great. And I also love this with some rice as well. Pairs so well. Let me know in the comment section what is your favorite pair with this type of soup. All right, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, it really helps, and please be sure to share to a few friends and family as well. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.